AI videos are now gaining more and more attention, especially in views and revenue, and even becoming a bit scary these days, as many AI companies, including OpenAI and Google, are competing with their own innovative ideas. This week, I came across Pika Labs' mind-blowing AI feature called Pikaffect, which is truly remarkable. Just take a look at these example videos. Now grab your favorite beverage and watch until the end. Let's get into the action. Before moving to Pika Labs to create a video, make sure your images are ready. If you can't find any copyright-free images, don't worry, I'll give you a quick guide on how to create them for free. Go to Leonardo AI using the link in my video description. Click Get Started and sign up with your email or Gmail account. Select Image Creation, choose the style, dimensions, and number of images, then type your prompt and click Generate. It will produce high-quality images in a short time. Once you have your image, click on it to zoom in. When you're satisfied, click Download Image. Now let's move to Pika Labs to convert images into super cool videos. Go to Pika Art using the link in my description, click Try Pika, and sign up with your Gmail or Google account. At the bottom, you'll notice that Pika Labs has introduced a new AI feature called Pikaffect. Click on Pikaffect, where you'll find 6 amazing effects. Let's try them one by one. Upload your image, choose the first effect, inflate it, and click the star icon. The video will take a few minutes to generate, so let's wait until video generation is complete. By the way, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to learn how to access over 600 plus AI tools. Now, let's go back and check out our result. Click the video to view it. The outcome is absolutely mind-blowing. I would easily rate it 10 out of 10. Now, move on to the next effect. Upload the image, select the Melt It effect, and tap the star icon. Once the video is generated, click to watch. Next, try the third effect, Explode It. Upload your image, pick Explode It, and press the star icon. When the video creation finishes, click to view it. Due to the time-consuming process, please try applying the remaining effects on your own using the same exact steps. Now, I will show you Pikaffect example videos from online. I hope you enjoy them.